all out for another ride today, just exploring the Swan River a little bit further upstream from Perth, and I rode from our new accommodation in Bayswater up to Guildford. We had a bit of lunch there on the north side of the Swan River, and now I'm just sort of making my way back via a mixture of bike paths and some back streets on the south side of the Swan River, and I'll go into the city and then ride back on the train line back to where we're staying in Bayswater. Gotta check out this new bridge. It's a special cycling bridge. I couldn't not ride on this, even though it's not where I was wanting to go. And another special cycling bridge. One on each side of Harrison Island. Fantastic. Just more fantastic bike paths. They're everywhere.